Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about hot tubs. We're getting a lot of comments about why is my hot tub draining. You can see this one overnight has drained down, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, but it just continues every night. When the pool turns off, it loses water. Let me show you. Okay, so your hot tub is draining. You'll notice that the hot tub is higher than the pool, so that water is elevated. That creates what we call head pressure. Okay, this is the valve that goes to the hot tub that I showed you. The hot tub was under pressure. Now look at this check valve. There's a valve in there that looks like this. And it's spring loaded, and that holds pressure against the back to keep this water from coming out. See how it just continues to run? And this check valve, if it wasn't in there, this water would just work its way back through the pool. That's the reason your hot tub drains. So we use a check valve to stop that water flow. So now when the pump shuts off, that water is still under the same pressure you saw a minute ago, but now this gate is in place, which will keep it from going back to the pool. Now I turned that off so I can work on it, but this gate's in place to keep it from going back to the pool. And the reason we're replacing this one, if you can see here, this corner is broken off, and up here at the top, it's not making a good seal. And that's the reason it's leaking, letting all that water, which is under high pressure, just because of gravity, is forcing it back to the pool. So that's the reason your hot tub is draining. If it is, look for the drain, the valve that controls the fountain in the middle. Replace the check valve. We'll have a link in the description, and should be back in business. Have a great summer. Thanks for watching.